Starting this Friday, millions of Americans could be forced out of their homes through eviction or foreclosure, and Congress has just days to prevent that from happening. When the coronavirus hit the U.S. this spring, more than 40 million people were suddenly out of work. While Americans tried to get a handle on the virus, Congress included an eviction moratorium in the initial CARES Act. It covered federally subsidized housing, and a provision that expires in 3 days is that you can't be evicted from it. Congress hasn't renewed it yet. Some states also imposed eviction moratoriums, but many are quite limited, and some have already expired, and others will expire soon. While the CARES Act prevented landlords from starting the eviction process for federally subsidized housing, many state moratoriums did not. And according to an evictions research group at Princeton University, that means landlords have been able to file the paperwork, get an eviction hearing, and start serving eviction notices as soon as moratoriums expire this week. Some landlords are even suing state governments, claiming that the eviction freezes are unconstitutional. Now, back in April, labor experts warned that people would be on the hook for months of missed rent or mortgage payments, a kind of bill that would be far too much for many households to pay, especially if someone's been out of work. The Census Bureau found that nearly 50% of renter households in America were so-called cost burdened. That means they spend more than a third of their income on housing costs, total income for the house. Between the federal and state protections ending and all the other stresses on households, 20 to 28 million people could be forced from their homes by September. 20 to 28 million. Let me give you some context. That's 3 to 4 times as many people who lost their homes to foreclosure following the last financial crisis, and that took 9 years, not 2 months. This is one of the most pressing problems facing our country, and the clock is ticking. Some states and localities are extending eviction protections, like Massachusetts, where the governor, Charlie Baker, extended the state's eviction freeze until mid-October. New York City is going to start mediation between landlords and tenants to try and stop a mass eviction crisis in that city. And in Congress, the Emergency Housing Protection and Relief Act, providing rental assistance along with eviction and foreclosure protections, passed the House with 0 Republican support. That vote was on June 29th. It was sent to the Senate the next day. The bill is stuck in the Senate waiting to be passed, and it is sorely needed.